Sous Vide will be growing at a rate of over 25% in the next 5 years. And the biggest reasons are, it's convenient, it's ready to heat with minimal preparation, and it tastes delicious.
Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, president of Lyco Manufacturing.
Here at Lyco, we offer sous vide cooking and cooling solutions for packed meat, rice, vegetables, and sauces. Our systems are proven and can handle a wide variety of packages.
Behind me, you can see our smaller 12-foot cooking and cooling units for lower capacity, and also our 28-foot cooking and cooling high capacity lines.
I'd like to point out some key benefits. 1, Lyco systems are all first in, first out. 2, product is submersed in water and gently agitated, resulting in uniform cooking and cooling. We use our patented HydroFlow to ensure 100% uniform treatment and gentle handling while the product conveys through both the heating and cooling zones. 3, Lyco offers both cooking and cooling solutions. Product is typically transferred from the heating to the cooling zone with a belt transfer conveyor. 4, our systems are much smaller and take up less floor space than traditional belt or tank systems. 5, we offer CIP systems for sanitation. And 6, our PLC controls are user-friendly with data logging for internal HACCP documentation. And remote access for troubleshooting comes standard. And Lyco has a 2,500 square foot testing facility to help customers develop their own specific sous vide process.
So call us today to learn more about our sous vide processing equipment at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com. If we do not hear from you, we will follow up with you to see how Lyco can help you with your sous vide cooking and cooling needs.